Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to upgrade your home or office security, this video's for you. Today, we're covering the top 5 best wireless surveillance cameras, selected for their clarity, range, smart features, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. All right, let's get started. Starting at number 1, we've got the eufy S340 Surveillance Camera. This camera focuses on clear image quality and wide coverage, so it's great for watching over driveways, yards, or front doors. Its 3K resolution and up to 8 times zoom help you see faces, license plates, and small details more clearly, even when subjects are further away. A dual camera setup and 360-degree pan and tilt mean you can monitor a large area without leaving blind spots, letting you sweep around the scene directly from the app. It's solar-powered, so once you've mounted the panel in a decent sunspot, you rarely need to think about charging, which is ideal for hard-to-reach locations. The wire-free design and compact body make installation quick and flexible, whether you're mounting it on a wall, corner, or post. Motion detection and smart alerts help you focus on real activity instead of constant false alarms, making it a strong pick if you want high detail, full area coverage, and low maintenance. Next up, at number 2, is the ANSQUE 360-degree surveillance camera. This system is designed for people who want solid security without monthly cloud fees. It includes built-in local storage, typically around 32 gigabytes, giving you roughly a few months of loop recording depending on your motion activity, so your footage stays on your own base unit instead of a remote server. The camera offers full 360-degree panoramic coverage with motion tracking, allowing it to follow movement smoothly as someone walks across your yard or driveway. Cross-camera tracking lets multiple cameras coordinate, so a person moving between zones can be followed by different units without you manually switching views. The included home base also acts as a Wi-Fi extender, helping strengthen the signal to cameras placed further out on your property. With efficient power management to extend battery life and reliable offline recording, this setup works well for anyone who wants broad coverage, smart tracking, and one-time costs, especially on larger lots.
Now at number 3, we have the SEHMUA 5 GHz surveillance camera. This camera is all about sharp video, stable wireless performance, and subscription-free recording. It connects via a dedicated home base with built-in storage, expandable for longer retention, which keeps recording safe even if a camera is stolen or damaged. The wireless, solar-powered design avoids the hassle of running cables, and once installed, the panel keeps the battery topped up for continuous operation. It supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, helping maintain a stronger, less congested connection for smoother live viewing and faster notifications. With 4-megapixel resolution and a built-in spotlight, you get clear, detailed footage and full-color night vision when the live is triggered, making nighttime clips much easier to review. Using the companion app, you can watch up to 4 cameras on a single screen, which is ideal if you're monitoring multiple angles like front, back, side yard, and driveway at once. For homeowners who want high-resolution video, solid wireless range, and easy multi-camera viewing, it's a very practical option. Moving on to number 4, let's talk about the firstrend 8CH surveillance camera system. This kit is geared toward users who want a full multi-camera setup with a dedicated recorder. It includes 4 1080p Full HD cameras and an 8-channel NVR with a pre-installed hard drive, giving you 24/7 continuous recording without needing separate storage. The cameras use wireless transmission back to the NVR, which simplifies setup, but they still plug into power so they can run all the time without worrying about batteries. With IP66 weatherproof housings and infrared night vision up to around 65 feet, they're built to handle rain, dust, and dark conditions around most homes. Through the mobile app, you can view live feeds, search and playback recordings, and receive motion alerts when activity is detected. Features like sync playback and backup options make it easier to review incidents, export clips for insurance or authorities, and customize schedules for when you want constant recording versus motion only.
If you want a traditional NVR-style system with multiple fixed cameras and local storage ready out of the box, this is a very straightforward set-and-forget choice. Finally, at number 5, we've got the VisionWell Spotlight Surveillance Camera. This model is a flexible, wire-free choice that works well for both home and small office use. It runs on a rechargeable battery that can last anywhere from about 1 to several months per charge, depending on how busy the area is and how often recording is triggered. With an IP65 weatherproof rating, it's built to handle rain, sun, and dust, so you can mount it outdoors without worrying about normal weather. The camera records in 2K resolution with a wide-angle lens, and it offers both full-color night vision using its built-in spotlight and standard infrared night vision when you want to stay less noticeable. Advanced AI motion detection can distinguish between people, vehicles, pets, and packages, cutting down on random alerts from leaves or shadows and making notifications more useful. Two-way audio and a smart siren let you talk to visitors, warn off strangers, or acknowledge deliveries directly from the app. Easy wireless installation with included mounts gives you plenty of freedom to place it exactly where you need coverage, whether that's at a front door, garage, or side alley. And that wraps up the top 5 best wireless surveillance cameras. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, subscribe to Tech Talk Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss future uploads. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.